Are you ready to fire your boss? Are you ready to become the boss? Are you ready to become the next Certified Etiquette Consultants and change the lives of children and adults globally? Hi, I'm Jackie Vernon Thompson, your favorite etiquette consultant and owner of From the Inside Out School of Etiquette. We invite you to become a member of the life-changing club. That is, become a Certified Etiquette Consultant. We are ready for you. March 4th will be the beginning of our next online certification class. All classes are conducted via Zoom. That means you may join us from anywhere in the world. You will learn all things etiquette, how to teach etiquette in person and via Zoom. Once completed, you will receive your certification and be deemed the next Certified Etiquette Consultant. The absolute best part of this is that I will be your mentor for life. You will be able to contact me for anything you need to help you advance your etiquette business. Again, classes begin March 4th. They are for 5 weeks, Monday and Thursday evenings at 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. We look forward to having you in the class as we delve into the concept and art of etiquette. Simply register at www.fromtheinsideoutsoe.com and click Become Certified. If you're unable to attend 1 or 2 classes, no worries. We record every class so that you will be able to receive the link for the class and catch up with us. You won't miss a thing. This masterclass will be filled with a wealth of information, all things etiquette, on various topics to allow you to teach in a structured manner. You will receive a manual and so much more to make sure that you are equipped to launch your etiquette school. Register now at www.fromtheinsideoutsoe.com and begin that journey. We look forward to seeing you in class.